What's going on guys, this is Kedar here. Twitter is having some issue. Many people can't able to use Twitter, and here is the thing, I found out the trick how you can get it working. Let me show you. Now here is the thing guys, in my region Twitter is down and many people are reporting as you can see onto the screen, but let's say if I just refreshed my page, here you can see I'm getting the error retry, sorry your rate limited. Once I do the trick, let me show you, and then try to reload the page. Let me show you that it works like a charm. Here is the thing guys, it is a really simple trick. Many people didn't realize that they can use this trick to get it working, and definitely like it's a chaos going on with the Twitter, RIF Twitter, so Twitter, WTF Twitter. People are really upset about the Twitter down situation. Now the way you're gonna fix this one is really simple guys. In fact, I have been using the Twitter for so long, and here you can see still in my region the Twitter is not working. And here is the thing, they are trying to fix the Twitter servers in many region. The work is in progress. They have managed to fix many servers in other regions, but my region is not working. So way you gonna fix it is really simple. All you need to do is download a VPN. Let's say you can download Proton VPN, NordVPN, Surfshark, TunnelBear, ExpressVPN. You can choose whatever VPN you like. Also there are tons and tons of free VPNs. Now here you can see guys, still the page is not loading up in my region. Now once I use the VPN and turn it on into a location I set it up, here you can see once I retry the page, the Twitter works like a charm. So guys, do let me know whether VPN worked out for you or not. And here is the thing guys, there is a catch. Let's say you use a VPN and still it doesn't work, and the reason is you need to choose different region. For example, here you can see I'm using a VPN, and here you can see it is not working because there are very limited region as of right now wherein Twitter is working. So you need to find that region. There is no update from the Twitter official page. Once I get any latest details, official fix, I will keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.